Hey guys, it's Jason. Broke as hell garage here. Hey, I just want to show you a little bit. I got that Toyota Tundra right here. I got this other bed sitting on it. I put the fender flares on it with some sheet metal screws. If you see my announcement, with only 14 subscribers, which I think I got 17, maybe 18 now on the channel, I reached out to Magic Paints in Coleman, Alabama, and told them I'd like to do a couple videos and show their product, Monsta Liner. It's a bed liner, and you can go online and look at it, and I'm sure folks up there would appreciate that. Look and get you some paint chips and some colors. This is the color I'm going to be putting on the truck. It's called Read My Lips. So if you've seen on the video I just posted, and I've got some posts that just went up, it talks about Monsta Liner, and got some little funny pictures I made with a painter on there. Happy little Tundra here, and this is called Read My Lips, and this is the color that's going to go on the truck. And this is pretty, if you can see that. Let me get my ugly face out of the way. That's the texture that we're going to be putting on the truck. Now you can spray this, or you can roll it, or you can brush it, and I think we're going to try to do all three techniques on this truck. I'm going to set me up right here beside my garage outside. I'm going to set me up a temporary paint booth, and we're going to get this truck took down with some 80 grit. Now I got a little bit of conundrum here. It took me a while to get the bolts out of that other bed. The bottom of it was so rusted. It was pitiful, and I've got these bolts sitting in here. This is the bolts I'll be using. And overlook the mess. That's going to be taken out and cleaned up. But this is the second bed. It's got to be body worked. I got some stuff coming to take care of that. I put these sheet metal screws in to hold this in place. I've got to get this took care of for my filler, for my gas tank. But if you can see, this bed is the wrong shape. So either I'm going to take the other bed that come off of this truck, and I believe this one is a year newer, and it was not a true 4-door like this one. It was an access cab that had the bed in the back, but it only had the 2 front doors. So it's made a little bit different. So I'm either going to take a section out of the other bed. It unbolts on the front here. I'll pop it loose here. And on this side with the filler for the gas tank, I'm going to cut it probably about 3 inches down through here on this one. And then I'll take and cut off the other one. I'll match it to where it's got the shape. I'll bolt it on, and then I'll stitch weld it and put some body filler on it. I think I'm going to do something a little bit different on the tops here. This bed only had one bed cap, and the ones that was off the other truck, these do not match here, and the stake pockets don't match. So I think what I'm going to do, this is our little stream here by the house. That's my rock I moved over here to set on. So water's running pretty good. But you can see how the bed's fitting. This side, it's not hardly as bad as the other side. But popped out most of the dents. I gotta still do a little bit of body work down here. These tail lights are a little bit smaller. That don't make no difference. I'll get the cab corners fixed. You get the rest of it. I gotta get one more matching wheel. That's off a Nissan. For those of you that don't know, a Nissan, a Chevrolet, a Toyota, they all work. They're all 6 lug on 5.5. Just make sure the center holes work. I gotta find me one more wheel to match these, and I don't know if I'm gonna color match them to the Read My Lips color of the Monsta liner. On this right here, when I got the truck, I was missing this part of this molding here, but what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to pull it out, shoot me a screw in the back there, push that around. I believe that will work pretty good like that right there. Just pull it out and get it flush on the outside. I'm going to cut these off and I'm going to fill them with fiberglass. But I just wanted to say I appreciate everybody that's subscribed and liked and watched my videos. I know I haven't been not retail, we're going out of business here. Now what I was trying to say is I haven't been real detailed on my videos about the work I'm doing. I hadn't got much of a camera stand or even much of a camera to work with. I use my iPhone a lot. It's just me, myself, and I. And this week I'm on vacation, so you can see I'm vacationing here at the house. Just trying to get this done. I wanted to get this project completed this week. It's rained 2 or 3 days. It's just not working out. And tomorrow's my birthday, so I don't know what I'll be doing tomorrow. If I'm going to have people over or what's planned. I think there might be something planned, some kind of cake or something. Don't really need no cake. Done got up close to 200 pounds. This old diabetes here, taking several shots a day, trying to keep everything under control. Anybody that knows anything about diabetes, it ain't nothing to play with. You got to take care of yourself. So right now I just got the bed sitting on there with a couple bolts stabbed in it. You see what I got, what I'm working with. But I think some body filler, I'll get this paint scratched off here, get all that cleaned up, and get this body worked. Get these dents right here knocked out. Get this boo-boo right here knocked out. Get this cut off on both sides. Go out there to my other bed and section it off and get that scab back in and welded. I think I told you in another video that I got me a new welder. It's a 3-in-1 TIG, MIG, and stick, and I'm going to be using it. Got some flux core wire. Wanted to get me some welding rods to do some other work. But I'm going to show you this project right here real quick, what I got planned for it in the future. I don't know if I'll get to it this year or not because I got so many irons in the fire. But this beast right here was a diesel. It's a E350, so it's a 1-ton. I've got to get a steering box for it. I've got to get an engine for it. But what I'm hoping to do is put 4-wheel drive running gear out of an F250 under it. And I got the Chiweenies back here, a yapping and a barking. But I believe it's going to be a pretty good old tow rig right here once I get it done, get it took care of. It's got a hideaway ball in it. Cause all this is rusty, but ain't that but a little bit of paint and elbow grease won't take care of. This ride right here, when I get it built, it may end up with a Monsta liner on it. This right now is my tow rig. This is a 1-ton Chevrolet. I believe it's either 89 or 90 model. It's got a 350 TBI 4-speed. It's got the PTO attachment if I wanted to put a record bed or something on it. But it's a pretty nice bed on it. This is custom built. The only thing I don't like is this fuel fill right here goes straight in instead of angling down in it. It's hard to put any gasoline in it. It's got the Chevy emblem made into it. It's a pretty good old truck. And you can see back there in the back, I got my 40 Chevrolet. I got a 41 Chevrolet. Got a bunch of more junk back there. So, all right. So if you will, like and subscribe, tell your friends about this old country boy here and messing around with these vehicles, and hopefully we can grow this page and grow it together. If you got any comments, just leave them down there. I'll go back and look at the comments. Got any questions, I'll answer your questions. But go online and look at Monsta Liner. I actually heard about it from 99.5 Talk Radio with Leland Live in the evenings. Leland, he talks about it on the radio there a whole lot, and I was interested in it, and I looked at some videos. There's a lot of videos on YouTube, people using this, but I don't think there's really a whole lot of real detail to what I'm hoping to do with this product. And get this one done. Hopefully there may be some more in the future. We're not going to put it on my wife's Mustang, but may do the F-150 over there. We may do the inside of the bed of it, if you can see over there. All right, I'm going to sign off. I've talked enough and been on here long enough. Probably too long. So if you would, like and subscribe. All right. Thank you. Have a good day.